Now, when you travel abroad, what is the first thing that comes to your mind? Anong kailangan mo? Ang basic necessity is data. It's probably one of the most important things you need right now for traveling. So let's just say, for example, punta ka sa country like Afghanistan. Pagdating mo doon, hindi sila marunong mag-English. Sa airport, bibili ka ng SIM card. And the only language that you know is English or Tagalog. And ang alam lang nila is yung kanilang native language. They don't speak English. They don't even speak Tagalog. And you don't even have access to Google Translate kasi wala kang data eh. You're just using your Globe or your Smart SIM which cannot let you roam. Unless you buy roaming packages from them which is quite expensive, hindi ka makapaggamit ng Google Translate. In this video, papakita ko sa inyo one device that can solve all of your troubles. Simulan natin. So upon receiving the device na ito, medyo naaliw ako sa inyo. There's a lot of things that you can do dito sa Cherry Roam na 5G. And this is even a touchscreen. Akala mo it's a analog lang siya, dito ka lang mag-navigate, but hindi. Swipe up. Kita mo. Kailangan mo lang mag-subscribe to package. And I'm still in the Philippines right now, kaya makita mo wala siyang enabled na packages. And this is the Wi-Fi name and this is Wi-Fi password dito na makita nyo. And swiping over to this side, makita mo everything that you need sa mga controls niya. So you see kung ilang devices are connected, you see some network optimization, then you can manage your SIM card din dito. So there's two ways that you can connect. One is Cloud SIM, which is I think tawag nila is eSIM, which is the one that is by default na naka-embed dito sa device na ito. Yun ang magsasubscribe ka, which I'll show you a little bit later on how to use it. And you can also use a SIM card dito, which I will also show you in a little bit. Meron kang data usage protection dito na pwede mo iset para to make sure na hindi kayo magpas-pas. And there's more settings here like display language update, and pwede ka mag-tether pa dito sa inyong PC or sa inyong laptop. There are some desktop PC na walang Wi-Fi, so you can also use this one to tether to that PC. So one of the important na kailangan mo dito is yung iyong Cherry Roam na app. So makita mo, meron kang pay as you go or pwede ka mag-subscribe sa mga packages niya. So need to go to your My Account, then pwede ka mag-pindot dito ng top up. So you can top up 500 to 10,000 depende sa inyo. And pag top up nyo, you can pay through PayPal, which is one of the safest way to buy, to purchase using your credit card, ang PayPal. You can also check dito sa data store, which probably I think is the better option kasi mas makakatipid ka dito sa kanya for sure. You can choose global, Asia, yes, Canada, and other countries dito. Kasi I'll be hitting mainland China in a few days. So since there's no packages dito sa mainland China, let us just check sa Asia. So there are a lot of packages dito na makita mo dito sa Asia. And there's also one here sa Hong Kong, China. So after ko kinakalikot-kalikot siya, nakita ko dito sa multi-destination na packages, there are some packages dito na mukhang okay. There are some day pass dito na pwede mong bilhin at 350 pesos. Andi siya for one whole day, which I think is not so bad. And of course, if you're a power user, I would suggest that you go for the Andi Day Pass. Lalo na kung you're going out of the country for just 2 to 3 days, I think it's one of the good options. And there's a lot of other packages you can buy here. So yes, Canada, South America, Africa, Middle East, and more and more. So just check it out dito para sa just install the Cherry Roam app para makita mo all of the countries na sana sa kanya. Now, like I told you kanina, pwede kayo magkabit ng SIM card dito sa kanya. All you need to do is just pop this one SIM tray out. And makita mo, you can put a 5G na nano SIM. Which I'll try dito kay Globe. So, kakabit ko lang yung SIM card dito. And what I need to do is go to SIM card manager. I-switch lang natin sa SIM card. Hindi na siya gagamit ng cloud SIM ngayon. Mag-okay lang kayo. And you'll be switching. So guys, kita nyo na may 5G signal na itong ating Cherry Roam, which nilagay natin Globe SIM. And all I need to do is just connect my phone dito sa Cherry. So, kukonect lang natin ng phone natin dito sa Cherry Roam. You just key in the password that is available sa likod ng iyong device. So right now, let's just give it a quick speed test dito para makita lang natin yung speed, no? Kung talagang mas maganda nga ba ang sagap nito, kita natin globe ang ating server, and of course, ang ating telco, and of course, ang ating network is Globe Telecom. Let's just give it a go. Okay, so this is a pretty normal speed dito sa loob ng aking studio, which is nagpapatak siya at around 150 to 200 ang range niya. And get quite a low upload speed din dito sa loob ng aking studio. This is using a Globe SIM. So, there you go. Naka 5G siya, and this is the speed na nakuha natin based sa ating speed test. So guys, just a quick update after natin mag-roam ng Hong Kong, China, and I was able to bring this one along. And it lasted me for roughly 1.5 day dito using this one, and tatlong device na nakakonect dito, sharing naman kami. And well, we just use the data moderately, and nakapagtawid naman kami ng 4 days on 3 gigs of data. Using just moderately for things like talking on WeChat and of course some other communication. And if you are planning to watch YouTube videos, I would suggest that you just use the Wi-Fi na available pagdating sa hotel para hindi maubos ang iyong data na kasama sa package. Overall, I'll say this one, si Cherry Roam 5G is one very portable device that you can use when you're outdoors, lalo na kung nagta-travel kayo. And if you are a travel junkie, I would highly suggest that you check out one of these one.
So guys, nakita na everything that you should know from the Cherry Roam na 5G. This is a device that you should need na you can borrow and you can rent from Cherry Mobile na would really come in very handy, especially when you travel. And if you're not traveling, nandito ka, nag-aantay ka sa airport natin, pwede mo siyang gawing 5G hotspot for everyone that's kasama sa inyong travel. And best of all, you can even tether this to your PC using a USB cable. So guys, if you're interested on this device and if you're traveling, link on the description kung saan pwede i-rental tong Cherry Roam 5G. I hope meron kayo natutunan dito sa video nito. If you like this video, don't forget to share and like this video. And of course, i-subscribe to this channel will be appreciated. I'll see you on the next one.
And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.